If you guys change your own oil in your F-150, then you guys understand the frustration, like me, where oil spills everywhere whenever you're trying to replace your oil filter. But I got a little tip for you that involves these little 1-quart oil containers. Stay with me and I'll talk to you about what I got. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome of course. And to all my long-time subscribers, welcome back. All right guys, listen. Changing your oil in your F-150 should not be that complicated. But I don't know what Ford was thinking. They put the oil filter in a position that whenever you try to replace it, oil goes everywhere and spills from the front and the back of the tray, and you just get oil everywhere. But I came up with a little solution for you guys that you guys can do, and once you do this, you'll be able to avoid all those oil spills from here on out. And all it involves is one of these little 1-liter bottles and cutting it in half. Yeah. That's exactly what it is. Let me talk to you guys about it. So first thing you want to do is, once you have an oil container, a leftover one or an old one or whatever it is, just get one like this and you want to cut it in half like this. And basically all it is cutting it all the way around, halfway up, and removing this portion and throw this away. If you guys know, the problem with these Fords is that the location of the oil filter is in a position where it has a drip tray underneath it. Now the drip tray has 2 ends that it can drain from. Now the problem is when the oil starts to drain from the back side of this tray, it drains right over the electrical connection for your power steering. You don't want to get oil in here. Ask me how I know that. Trust me, it will damage your power steering controller. So what you want to do is, before you take out your oil filter, you want to take your homemade pan and you want to slide it up under the oil filter so it sits on top of your catch pan in your F-150. I like to angle mine down a little bit, but as long as it's there, it will catch the oil. Next, you're going to go ahead and unscrew your oil filter, and all the extra oil that's dripping off is going to drip into your homemade catch can. Take your oil filter out, put in a new one, tighten it up, and then you can go ahead and slide this out and it will catch all the excess oil that drips from your oil filter. Now you don't want to leave this here for any period of time, so just take out your oil filter real quick, slide in your new one and tighten it up. Once you have your new one in place, you can go ahead and slide this tray out and then dump your oil, and that will save you the hassle of spilling oil everywhere. Yeah, apart from that, you're good to go. Once you've done this, keep this somewhere safe wherever you decide to change your oil, and you'll be able to use it for the rest of your life. If this worked for you guys, leave a comment, let me know. And if you have any other hacks for changing your oil, leave it in the comments as well. I'll get back to you and we can have a discussion. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys found good value in the content. If you did, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, share it with your friends. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video.